Hi, welcome to Casio G Shock.
The DW-5600SKE-7 product explained.
This is IKAG.
I am Xiaoyan.
First, let's start unboxing. This is the box of the watch, the warranty card, and inside is a metal box where the watch is located. And this the user guide. The dimension is as shown here. It is really slim. The weight 53 gram is actually quite significant to me when holding it, but it do give me an impression of quality parts within it.
And the water resistant is Spec at 20 bar.
The 20 bar or 200 meter water resistance indicate that the wearable is suitable around sinks, during swimming, poolside diving, snorkeling, jet skiing, but not while scuba diving.
The battery life is around 2 years and is depend on user usage. To set the time, first of all, press the upper left adjust button. The seconds digits is flashed because they are selected. Next, press the lower left mode button to select the digit to be adjust.
While the seconds count is in the range of 30 to 59 seconds, 1 will be added to the minute count. If the second count in the range of 0 to 29 seconds, no changes to the minute count, as demonstrated here.
Lastly, press the adjust button again to end. To set alarm, first, press the mode button once to enter the alarm mode. Then press the adjust button.
You may also set the alarm to only activate at a specific date, if needed, otherwise it will activate recurrently.
Press the adjust button to end.
Alarm will later ring for 20 seconds at the time set.
The adjust button is designed to be much shallow than the other buttons, hence you could find difficulty on it.
Notice there is a SIG mode that a lot of people may miss out on it. If the SIG mode is activated, the watch will beep every hour. Please select the preferred mode accordingly. Go to the alarm mode and press the start-stop button to select your preferred setting. This time, press the mode button twice to enter timer mode.
The timer can set to countdown from as low as 1 second to as high as 24 hours.
Press the start-stop button to start the timer.
After the end of countdown, the timer will ring for 10 seconds.
The electroluminescent backlight can be activated by pressing the light button. Press the mode button thrice to enter the stopwatch mode. Press the start-stop button to start. Press the start-stop button again to stop counting. Then, press the adjust button to reset. To set between the 12-hour or 24-hour format, first of all, stay at the time mode. Next, press the adjust button and press the light button to select your preferred mode. That is all for today.
And hope you enjoy the sharing.